Hey everyone, today we are diving into something seriously delicious. Smooth and creamy chocolate coated Oreo truffles. They're rich, decadent, and super easy to make. Whether you need a quick party treat, a sweet gift, or just a personal indulgence, these truffles have you covered. Let's get right into it. First up, toss 20 Oreos into a food processor and crush them into fine crumbs. Make sure to set aside crumbs from 2 additional Oreos for later. We'll use these for decoration. In a separate bowl, whip 4 ounces of softened cream cheese with a hand mixer until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. No lumps allowed. Add your Oreo crumbs to the cream cheese and mix it all together until you have a thick, rich dough that holds its shape. Now scoop out small portions and roll them into balls. Place them on a tray lined with parchment paper. You should get about 20 to 24 truffles, but size them however you like. Once they're all rolled out, pop the tray in the freezer for 30 minutes to firm them up. This helps keep them from falling apart when we coat them in chocolate. When there's about 5 minutes left, start melting 200 grams of vanilla wafers. Microwave them in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until they're completely smooth. Take the truffles out of the freezer in small batches, about 4 to 6 at a time so they stay cold. Dip 12 of them in the melted vanilla wafers, giving them a second dip for a nice thick coating. Now, melt 200 grams of chocolate wafers the same way, 30-second bursts until they're smooth and glossy. Repeat the dipping process with the rest of the truffles, double coating them for that extra satisfying bite. Pour your leftover coatings into piping bags and drizzle them over the truffles for a beautiful finish. Then sprinkle those reserved Oreo crumbs on top. And there you have it, creamy, decadent Oreo truffles coated in rich chocolate and topped with that perfect Oreo crumb crunch. Give them a try and let me know how they turn out. And if you love this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering treats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.